What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be doing a product overview of the Evotech Performance Paddock stand spools. Now, if you don't know what Paddock stand spools are, they're a pretty great accessory to nearly any model, and we have a ton of them available on our website, motomachines.com. So just use the search by bike function to see if we have one available for your year, make, and model. Now, these Paddock stand spools are pretty awesome, and they're going to come with everything you need to install them, including the bolt that is going to be specific to your bike. And basically what they're going to allow you to do is utilize a paddock stand. And if you don't know what that is, it is simply just a lift that hooks onto these lifters at the rear of the bike and lifts the rear wheel up in the air. Now, this is going to do a couple things for you. Number one is it's going to make maintenance easier. So things like tightening your chain as well as clean and lubricating the chain is going to be a lot easier now because the bike is up on the lift instead of rolling up and down the driveway or your parking lots. Now, the other thing that it's going to do as far as maintenance wise is it's going to allow you to remove your rear wheel safely, and the bike is going to stay super stable. So it's not going to fall over left or right. You don't have to worry about that. Once it's up on the paddock stand, a quality paddock stand that is, you'll be good to go. And basically, removing your rear wheel is going to do a lot for you. It's going to allow you to get tire changes cheaper because most shops charge less if you just bring them the wheel and your tire as opposed to just bringing them the entire bike. It's less maintenance, therefore you get charged less, or less labor, sorry. So you're going to get charged less if you just bring them the wheel versus bringing them the entire bike. And second up, if you're a track junkie or you want to start hitting the track, it's going to allow you to utilize things like tire warmers. Tire warmers can't sit on the ground, they're very fragile, and throwing the tire warmer on the rear wheel or the wheels in general without a paddock stand, it's going to cause them to burn, it can damage them, it can damage the heating elements, and it's simply not recommended. So that $400 set of tire warmers you just bought, you can pretty much throw out the window because they're going to be damaged if you use them without a paddock stand. Now, you're also going to have to change your tires every now and again at a track event, and it's going to be very convenient to not have to borrow somebody else's stand to get the wheels off the bike. And having these plus those stands is going to help you in more ways than one. And I throw them on every single bike I buy because they're just that convenient. They're also cheap and easy to install as well. So let's show you what that looks like on our Daytona 675R race bike project that we've been building. Now, if you haven't been up to date on that, you're missing out. Just click the card in the top right-hand side of the screen. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.